Hi guys, welcome back to another Velodromes update. It's been a while since I have covered this coin and it is actually outperforming the market, so I thought I should cover it again and why it is actually going up. So first of all, they have had a lot of updates. We'll come to those updates later. So as of now, let's look at the overall crypto market and what is happening as of now. So if you go to the overall stats, as you can see here, fair and greed index is actually at 79. That means retail investors are getting slightly in fair and they are selling some of their coins. And if you look at alt season, we are actually in an alt season zone and the Bitcoin dominancy is going down. So I think that's overall pretty good. But if you look here, overall market cap is going down. So is that any good or not? So let's look at overall total market cap. So this is a total market cap and we are about to retest a very crucial level. So this level which you can see here, this white line, which is basically the retest of the previous bull run. So this is actually the level where we peaked in 2021. As you can see here, this was the highest that the market had ever gone, and as of now we have actually ended up hitting 3.36 trillion. But this retest is very crucial. So if it does comes here and we bounce back from here, I think we are going to see another bull run. Because if you look here and if we do go back to if we do go back to as low as 2018 bull run, as you can see here, we peaked around 759 billion. And if you look here and if you look closely here, we had a pretty good retest, and after that retest we had another bull run, and I think that same thing is actually happening here. So I think we will most likely trade at this zone for 2 to 3 weeks, and after that if the breakout happens successfully and the market starts to go up, I think we will see another bull run and Bitcoin could be heading towards a whole new level. I think that is going to happen if we do see a breakout and if we do see a retest here and it starts to go up. So what does this mean for altcoins? As Velodrome is altcoin. So if you look at the altcoins overall, this graph or this chart which you are seeing is basically BTC and ETC excluding. So this one does not include BTC and Ethereum's market cap. And if you look here, and this one is also retesting. So I think the altcoin season is about to start once we do bounce back from this level, which is this one, as you can see here, around 835 billion. And I think if that happens, all of the alts including Velodrome Finance will most likely go up, but Velodrome doesn't care about that, it's going up either way. Anyways, so as for the altcoins including Ethereum and other altcoins, of course excluding BTC, same thing is happening. It has already successfully retested, as you can see here, and I think we could be actually heading towards if it does hold this level, we will most likely go up again. So I think we do have a pretty good bounce back from here from the looks of it, but we do have to wait for the confirmation once it starts to pump from here. Anyways, now let's look at what is happening with Velodrome. So there is a lot of happening with Velodrome and they have had a lot of updates, and you can see here they have had new chains as well. We have this one and they are also live on Frex as of now, so that's pretty good one. So as of now they are actually live on 4, which includes Optimism, Mod, Bob and Frex as of now, and I think they are working on the rest of these to actually start up. So because of this Frex, I think movement, we had a massive lock for the Velo Coin. So as you can see here on Epoch 129, which was I think around 2 weeks ago, we had over 33 million Velo coins locked. So that is a massive amount. So this is actually as high as this one when the Velodrome actually started locking on the Epoch first. So that is, I think, a massive amount, and I think that is actually boosting the Velo's price, and as of now Velodrome is doing good because of that. And beside that, if you look at the volume, the Velodrome is actually hitting new highs. So this is Velodrome's volume, as you can see, per epoch, and we actually hit a new high on the epoch 128, which was the same one when we had a lot of locks. As you can see here, it actually ended up hitting 854 million volume, which is a massive one, and this week it has already hit around 725 million volume, which is also massive. So I think what this means is that Velodrome is getting a lot of attraction as of now, and I think that has to do with super chains, which are all of these one. And as for the Optimism in general, Optimism is doing pretty good, but it has not actually contributed through Velodrome. So as you can see here, on Optimism it remains the same, and as for the Velodrome itself, the TVL hasn't moved as of now. So I think as of now it does not show frags. So once I think it launches frags on the DeFi Llama, we will most likely see a boost in the TVL again, I think. So that's pretty good one. So as for the mod, I think it has been doing pretty good on the mod as well. So I think that's pretty good, and I think overall everything looks at least everything looks good for the Velodrome in general. So the blockchain or the layer 2 is actually called Frextral, as you can see here, and as of now Velodrome is not listed here. Anyways, so looking at Velodrome's other stats, we have this one. As you can see here, it has had a pretty good plus in the market cap. That also include token holder did not go up, unfortunately. The trading volume did actually increase. We had another trading volume increase. The fees actually went up, so that means there were a lot of activities on the Velodrome, so that's pretty good. So of course the revenue also went up. Again, we also had earning increase around 33%, and besides that it doesn't look bad. We don't have that many users going away, so I think that's pretty good overall for the Velodrome. And if you look at code commits, so that means there has been a lot of development going on behind the back, so that's I think pretty good. And they even gained around 5% more users monthly, so I think that's pretty awesome for the Velodrome. Overall, Velodrome is looking pretty good in general from the looks of it, so that's I think good for the Velodrome. So now let's look at the main thing, which is the price action. So as of now we have actually broken this high, and I think we will most if it does starts to go up again, we will most likely continue. So I think if the alt season does come, and as I discussed here, if we do go up from here, I think the Velodrome will most likely go up, and I think for that to go up we have to retest somewhere. So what the retest that I'm actually looking for, I will just try to take it from here. So the retest which I'm looking for is mostly this one, around 8.5 cent. If not, I think a retest around 10 cent is a pretty good one. If not, 9.7 cent is a pretty good entry, and I think 8.5 cent is a pretty good entry as well. And if we do go up from here, we do have to worry about this resistance, which is also I think pretty strong, around 16 cent. And after that we do have a resistance, I think this one seems to be a pretty good resistance as well, around 22 cent. And if we do end up flip this resistance, I think we are most likely heading higher, most probably going towards a new all-time high, which could be above 40 cent. Anyways, this was it. I hope you like the update. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.